Welcome to Perform and Transform Personal Training. My name is Patrick. I'm going to be your personal trainer, and I'm so excited to help you on your road to fitness and to help transform your body, your mind, and your health. We're one of the top growing personal training studios here in Vancouver. Everybody wants us. We've been featured all over the city with businesses and organizations. We've been with banks, with RBC, with Van City. We've been all over the elementary schools. We're in insurance firms. We're in restaurants like Jack's and all over the neighborhood houses. And so one of the reasons why we've been so successful is because everybody has unique fitness goals and we're able to help people with their fitness goals. So it doesn't matter what your fitness goals are. If you're looking to have more energy, if you're looking to fit into your clothes, take that dream vacation, feel confident, feel great again, look good, reclaim your health, and take control of your life again, this program is exactly geared for you. And the reason why our program has been working so successfully through the past is because we have a unique philosophy. It's 1/3 training, 1/3 nutrition, and 1/3 accountability. One without the other doesn't really work. Let me explain. So if you have training alone, this is similar to getting a gym membership. 95% of people who have a gym membership don't even use the gym. And if you go to the gym, no one's gonna check up on you and no one's gonna help you with your nutrition. If you have nutrition alone, it's similar to buying a meal plan. But if you have a meal plan without anyone following up, it's gonna be sitting in your cupboard collecting dust. If you have accountability alone without nutrition and training, it's just hanging out with friends. Maybe you have a combination of two of these that you've done in the past. Maybe you've joined a sports team, so you had training and accountability. But we all know people on sports teams that are in terrible shape. Shaquille O'Neal, in his twilight of his career, was very, very overweight because he didn't take care of his nutrition. Maybe you tried a program like Jenny Craig that has nutrition and accountability, but without training, we're not going to be toning up our muscles, improving our cardio, improving our shape. And we all know people, New Year's resolution, I'm going to be training and I'm going to be eating clean with my nutrition, but without anyone there to keep me accountable, a couple weeks, a couple months fly by and you're exactly where you started. So you can see that you need all three to have a successful training program. So it doesn't matter what your background is, whether you're a dentist, a lawyer, a politician, a stay-at-home mom, a student. We've helped everyone with all sorts of backgrounds, and we've helped people with a similar set of circumstances and a similar background, just like yourself, that we were able to help transform their life. So let me give you a few examples. So this is Tanya over here. So Tanya, when she first started, she had so many nutrition programs that she's done in the past. None of them worked, and she wanted to lose weight to go on a vacation trip. So that's what she did. She lost 20 pounds and she went and she looked fantastic for her trip to Mexico. Next we have Rani. Rani was one of our youngest clients at the time. He started at 18 years old and he wanted to lose weight. He was going into college and he knew about freshman 15. Freshman 15 is pretty much gaining 15 pounds in your first year of college or university. Not only did he not gain 15 pounds, but he actually lost 30. Next we have Rosie. Rosie lost 30 pounds. She wanted to lose weight for her big day. She was getting married and she looked spectacular in her wedding dress for her big day. Don Davies over here, he's a politician. He represents the New Democratic Party in East Vancouver, and for a long time he was in the health sector and he wasn't living out what he was preaching. And now he's authentic with his words because he's living a healthy lifestyle. Kathy over here, she's a grade 7 teacher and she was so close to not starting a fitness program. She decided to take a risk and to try it out, and fast forward, she's lost 50 pounds. Ron over here, Ron has never played any organized sports before. All he knew was sitting on his butt on a stationary bike, and so we helped transform Ron's whole life. Now he's playing tennis, he's hiking on his own, and he's so grateful for the impact that he's so grateful for the impact that we've made on his life. So all of these people that I've showed you, they're not extraordinary. They're ordinary people like me and you, but what they did is they decided to invest in their health. They decided to be coachable, and through our systems and our coaches and our strategies, we've been able to completely transform their life. So what does this look like training with us here at Perform and Transform? With online training, it's a lot more affordable. If you had a personal trainer, sessions could cost anywhere from $60 to $100 per session. Most people don't have money to train more than 2-3 times a week. And so with online training, we're able to train every single day. We're going to keep you accountable for a minimum of 3 workouts, and you can work out as many times as you want. And if you want us to keep you accountable, we're going to keep you accountable every single day. Imagine your health. If you're working out every single day, you're going to be losing weight. With our nutrition program, at the end of every workout, we're going to be going through key nutritional concepts that we sequence for the whole entire year. So every week you have bite-sized pieces, and we're going to be giving you nutrition challenges of the week to implement those nutritional changes in your life. And most importantly, we're going to be holding your hand throughout this whole process. We're going to be keeping you accountable with your workouts. We're going to be keeping you accountable with your nutrition goals. We're going to be monitoring your food. You're going to be part of our accountability group to learn from past and present clients on some strategies and tips that have been working for them. So you can see with training, with nutrition and accountability, that this is definitely going to work for you. So thank you so much for choosing to take your health to the next level and to invest in us. I'm so excited to be on your fitness journey, and I can't wait to help you transform your life through fitness.